Hi J-Squad, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So this video is about Xeno U obviously, and these are the moments that prove that they cannot resist each other. I mean, it's very obvious, but you know, I wanna share this to you. So yeah, this is a short one. This is only 3 minutes and 21 seconds. It's original video, and yeah, I think we should start without further ado. Let's start the video in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, behind the scenes yun, di ba? Ito yung mga type ng couple na hindi natin dapat tanong kung kayo na ba? Hindi na lang magtatanong. I'll just let myself assume that they are really dating. Diba? Gusto naman, Ash. Cute. Alam mo, talo pa ng fans nila yung mga ghost investigators. Okay? Napapansin nila lahat. Got the act as always. Thank you. Oh, suot niya talaga. Ay, akin na lang. Wait lang. Wait. Ang ganda nito. Promise. Goosebumps again. Real to ka. Maganda kayo. Ito, picture na to. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Ano ginagawa ko sa buhay ko? Ano ba? Char. Tuloy niyo kung ano yung ginagawa.